Hello guys, today I want to make this video for you. I know this video will be one of the best video that I will make for you. I just want to give you an update about TikTok affiliate marketing. How easy it is to make some cash. This is something that result are not really typical, but if you put some effort, if you follow some guideline with free traffic and free method on TikTok, you can make this money. Let me show you very quickly. I'm not gonna be so long, so let me just show you very quick. So you see, just for today, I made $276 as GMV. That's the whole sales that I make for the day, and my commission is $51. But you may ask yourself, oh, that's not a big amount. Let me show you something. So if I click for the last 7 days, you can see, guys, I generated 4,400 for the company, and I make $815. But you may ask, Mr. Vanel, how do you do this? But what is most important, let me show you for the month, because today is 14 of this month of June 2025. So I'm gonna show you how much I make for the month. So let me choose the month. Okay, June month. As you can see, I choose this month. Okay, this is June. Okay, I custom it. You can see on the top it says June 1 to June 13 because they not giving me yet the updates for today. So you can see so far I generated over $10,000, okay, for the company, and my commission is almost $2,000 per commission. So you may ask, did you run ads? Did you use TikTok ads, or how do you do this? Let me show you quickly. Keep watching. I'm gonna show you how I do this. Okay guys, this is the video that generate me all this money. Okay, that's the video. Okay guys, so this video got over 264,000 views, and this video alone generate me over 10,000 in GMV and $2,000 as commission, just pure profit. And this is how I do it. I use completely AI to create this video. I use a website named Hydra.com, and I generate the picture of this person just using ChatGPT. Let me show you quickly before finishing this video. If I go on my phone, let me just go to show you guys how I generate this. This is Hydra. This is the website. So this website you see right here on the background allow me to generate the character that gonna create the video for me. So I'm gonna put a link on the description for this company. You can join them, and it's a paid version. I just pay $100 to have video generated for me. So the first thing you do, you just need the audio file of the video that you want. So here you're gonna upload the audio. You can write the text here. Here you can write the text. You see, I click here, you can write the text right here. But if you don't want to write a text, you can just click upload audio, and you're gonna take the audio inside of your phone or your device, and the audio will be matched with the picture that you're gonna choose. You see, I'm inside of my phone to find the audio. That's an example. Let me try to find audio that can match this, just to give you an example. So that's an audio. Okay, you see, this is an example of an audio. So what's gonna happen to the audio? If I stop talking and play the audio, you will see that's the audio. That's in Creole, Haitian Creole. But when you add the audio, the next step to do is to click here to add character. The character that you add can be picture of someone, so that person will be able to say everything that is in the audio it's like it's gonna be live. That person gonna talk, gonna repeat everything that is in the audio. So let's say I choose the picture of this guy to say everything in the audio. So that's gonna be the picture of the person. I'm not gonna finish all the steps for you guys. So it's easy. You don't have to pay to learn this. This is free method. So this is how I generate this video. Let me show you the video that I generate on my library so you can see how I generate this video, and this video generate me those amount of sales and make me a lot of money. So let me just see if I can find the video that bring me all this money, guys. My internet is not really solid, but let me try to see if I can make you see the video on the TikTok instead. Okay, that's the video. That's the video. Let me go back and show you guys. So it's one of the best methods. A lot of people don't really know about it, but this is what happened actually on TikTok. People don't record themselves anymore. Okay? People just use TikTok. Let me just see if I can find the video again. Okay, that's the video. Let's say I click here to play the video.
They tried to arrest me for saying this, but I'm going to say it anyway. Most people who die in their sleep experience 3 innocent symptoms that they ignore until it's too late. You've probably been dealing with these symptoms.
Okay, you see, you hear him? So this is script, and I use the picture. I make a picture, say that for me, and I go on ChatGPT and I ask ChatGPT, can you create a picture of a black person with gray hair, dread, doctor, speaking on the mic? I just give you the script. This is what I say, and ChatGPT just creates something like this for me. And I use the audio that is already existed, and you can see a lot of people are commenting. And they say I bought it. You can see a lot of people say I just buy one. I just buy one. Because the script is already proven to work, I just use it to generate these sales. So let me show you on ChatGPT how you can do it, but you have to pay the paid version of ChatGPT. I'm gonna put a link on the description for you so you can use it to pay $20 per month, and ChatGPT will generate all pictures for you. Yes, all pictures. You will just write a prompt, write a text, and ChatGPT will generate it. So this is an example of a prompt that I just created. I can take the picture of the product and I can ask ChatGPT, this is the picture of someone and I want this person to have the product on his hand, and ChatGPT will do exactly what you ask it to do. This is why AI right now is so powerful. If someone know, AI is so powerful actually, and AI can help you generate thousands of dollars. I'm very surprised, guys. So this is how I do it. So let me show you example of my last picture. So let me show you. You see, this is the last picture of a doctor. This product is blood sugar complex. It's a product. So I asked ChatGPT, create a video, create a picture of a doctor that has the product on his hand. And ChatGPT asked me, can you send the product? Let me show you the text. So I say, hi there. How can I say, hi ChatGPT. Here, hi. They answer me, hi there. How can I help you today? I want to give you an image. This is what I said. I want to give you an image of a doctor and a product. And I want the doctor to have the product in hands. You see what ChatGPT answer me? Please go ahead and upload the image of the doctor, the image of the product. Once I have both, I create realistic image of the doctor. I just set the picture of the product and the picture of the doctor. And this is the first generation that ChatGPT generated for me. I didn't like it. And I asked him below, I want it to be on his head firmly. And ChatGPT understand, and ChatGPT create this for me, guys, with the picture on the head of the doctor. So guys, this is it. This is the method. So everyone can do this. And this video, I will keep you updated about this video. But I know this video can make me more than $100,000 if you keep growing with only 200 views, 200,000 264,000 views.
Hey, good afternoon, guys. It's
More than
your share
10,000 with this
Tony.
video. So that's one of the best thing of TikTok Shop actually. So people are making crazy amount of money. It's your turn to try it. You will not spend anything. Just try the method. Try it. A lot of people are making thousands. You can see all these pictures of these people are not real people. These are AI generated picture with text that proven to work and generate sales. Guys, if you like this content, share it with your friend, save it somewhere because you may watch it again until you create your own TikTok shop and start making money. It was your friend as always, Vanel. I know you really love me. You love when I bring you some good data on how I make money. Let me just do it again and go show you the amount that I make so you can see it's not fake, it's something legit, real, and that can inspire you guys. Not to brag, just to inspire you. So you see for today, as you can see, $51. Let me go for the whole month again with you guys. That can inspire you, not to sell you any course. I don't have any course for sale. I'm just helping you freely. You can just copy my method. So I will choose this month, which is June. As you can see, the result, you see on the right, I have 1,900 as my commission. On the left corner, I have 10,400 generated as GMV for the company. Okay, so guys, thank you. Share with your friend. If it's your first time, make sure you share. But I have a training. If you want to make more money than this, you may try pay-per-call affiliate marketing, which is one of the best business. You make someone grab the phone number and generate phone calls, and you make money easily. If you don't want to, do you want some method that is very easy, how you can make money from day one? So I will put a link about my training, but at the same time, I will put link about all the AI tools that I use on the description. Try the paid version, as I said, because the paid version will allow you to have enough credit to create some good video that's gonna generate you money. Thank you so much for watching. It was your friend Vanel. Bye bye.